Chapter 1. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where smart homes meet a touch of fun, and today, a whole lot of Christmas cheer. You might think your smart water valve is just there to stop leaks and monitor water flow. Well, not S0NIC. This little genius can do something completely unexpected. Chapter 2. S0NIC the Entertainer. Here's S0NIC, my trusty smart water valve. Normally, it's busy keeping my home safe from unwanted water, but today, we're turning it into the ultimate holiday entertainer. With just a few taps, we can trigger some festive tunes. Here's how to start. Open the Watergate app and go to Devices. Tap on your S0NIC and open Settings. Scroll to the bottom and move Locate My Device to the left. Tap on the Santa head. Enter the password. Press Unlock. Choose your carol and enjoy. Honestly, who knew a leak prevention valve could double as a Christmas performer? If your water pipes start singing next, don't blame me, blame S0NIC. Chapter 3. Thank you. If you love this festive experiment, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share, and leave a comment telling me which songs you want S0NIC to play next. Your ideas could even influence future updates. You can get S0NIC with £25 off via my link. Home Assistant users, buy the local API together with S0NIC to get it at 50% off. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do so via Buy Me a Coffee or PayPal. Every bit helps me create more fun, hands-on smart home content for you. All links are in the description below. Stay tuned. Stay dry. And may your water pipes behave.